Hi guys. Before we get into this tutorial, I just want to mention that this is going to be not a voiceover, but it's just going to be a sped through video. I'm still in the middle of decorating our bedroom at the minute. We obviously got our floors done. I'm so sorry if you don't give a shit about this, but hear me out. Yeah, we're still in the middle of doing our bedroom at the minute. We've got our floors done. It's still not anywhere near finished, so it's just, yeah, I'm still like all hands on deck trying to sort out that bedroom because all the stuff from that bedroom is still in my makeup room here and it's just messing up my mind. I was gonna take today off and not upload anything, but I wanted to upload at least something for you. But I'm just really short for time today, so it is a wee bit rushed and I do apologise. This makeup look is actually inspired by a look that I had seen on, I don't know whether it was Instagram or TikTok, but it was of a YSL makeup look and it was beautiful. It was just very, very seasonal. I know at the minute I'm still trying to like really get out the fall autumnal makeup tutorials before we get into December, where I'm gonna get into like my holiday season makeup, but I just needed to do this one and I love it. I love it. I actually think it's gonna be like my, do I want to say it? I think this is gonna be my Christmas Day makeup look. I love it.
Te quiero desde lo más profundo de mi ser, pero los celos dañan nuestra relación. Disfruto estar contigo. Pero la nieve se derrite como mis sentimientos. Te quiero desde lo más profundo de mi ser, pero los celos dañan nuestra relación. más profundo de mi ser. Pero los celos dañan nuestra relación.
Okay, I'm actually pretty good for time, so I'm going to finish off this tutorial actually speaking to you, so hold on. I was just watching Made by Mitchell's live on TikTok. So, lips. We're going to do a nice red. There's nothing more irritating than going to your lip liner and the thing needs sharpened. I'm going to take the Il Maquillage liquid lipstick in Matte Geisha. Geisha? Obviously feel free to not go in with a red lip if you don't want to. Colourpop and Snitchery Super Shock Shadow. It's in the shade Metamorphosis. I'm saying it in my head, but my head is clearly not connected to my gob. Metamorphosis. Okay. I'm not necessarily wanting a gloss, but I just want to add like a wee bit of something to the lips. Okay, it's given something. So yeah, just something nice and simple like that. And wow, I look like a hooker. I look like a really high paid hooker. Or low paid, depending on what you think of this makeup look. Do I like this? I was thinking to myself, do you know what? Please ignore my hair. I washed it fresh last night and I've literally done nothing with it. And I do not want to do anything with it. Do you know what? I contacted my hairdresser yesterday to get booked in for getting my hair done throughout Christmas. I literally just want like a half head of oils and a trim. And I want a bit of a fringe cut in as well. And she literally cannot fit me in until January. But halfway through this tutorial, the eye makeup look, before I start on the lips, I was thinking to myself, do you know what? I think I might have actually found my Christmas Day eye makeup look. I would keep the lips just nude. But it really is nice and Christmassy as well. Thank you for bearing with me on doing like a really sped through makeup tutorial. And hopefully I shall see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.